Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed these clip-ins from Curlsqueen. I currently have or styled their water kinky coily clip-ins in the length 20 inches. Now to start the install, it was super easy. For my leave out, I just twisted it out and then I just did 2 big braids in the back. Now with these clips, I believe, don't get me wrong, it comes with 9 clips, 4 clips that have or 4 wefts that have 2 clips on it, 2 wefts that have 3 clips on it, 2 wefts that have 4 clips on it, and then 2 more wefts that have 5 total clips on it, which is more than enough for you guys. In these next few clips, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install it. Now, when I do install these clips, I start off with going with the 5 clip wefts, and then I go to the 4 clip wefts, and then so on and so forth, as you guys will see in the next coming clips. This has probably been one of the most easiest clip-in styles that I have done, since I didn't do so much for prep work. I just did 2 big braids. It was nothing but easy for the clips to grab onto my hair and install these clip-ins, which were very easy and fun to do. And if you have made it this far in the beginning of the video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and let me know if you guys would also use these clip-ins as well. And as I approached me completing this hairstyle, or completing me putting the clip-ins in, I just want to show you guys what my leave out is looking like to the side, just so you guys can get an idea of how one bundle of these clip-ins is more than enough. It is super full. Again, these are their water kinky coily clip-ins. And I want to tell you guys that this clip-in match was like to a T of my hair, as you guys will see like later down in the video. But to give this hair a little bit of moisture so you guys can see what it looks like while it is wet, I'm going to go in with some Cantu spray just to moisturize it a little bit. I don't know if I did mention in the beginning that I did also wash and condition this hair before I installed it as well. Now my second favorite product that I like to go in is with the olive oil hair lotion. My opinion, I think that this keeps this hair very, very moisturized. Some people like to use mousse. Sometimes they do use mousse, but at the time I didn't have any mousse, so this is all I had, and this is an alternative option. So if you don't have mousse and you need something to use, go ahead and pull out that hair lotion, girl. It's just as good. And like I said, in these next few clips, you guys are going to be seeing me blend my leave out with the clip-in extensions, which is their Water Kinky Coily clip-in extensions. As I said before, this hair match was like 280. All I needed was a twist out in low manipulation. If you want, you can go ahead and either, if you have a perfect match, just leave your hair down like I did, or you could twist your hair into the clip-in extensions. It's completely up to you guys. And that completes the end of my styling for these clip-ins. It came out so cute and natural and blends so well with my hair.